Your glutes are one of the largest and most powerful muscles in your body, and most people never train them properly. A randomized trial had one group do full squats and another half squats for 10 weeks. The full squat group grew their glutes 3 times more, 6.7% versus 2.2%. Your glutes aren't just for aesthetics. People with chronic low back pain had significantly weaker glutes. Go deep on your squats. Train close to failure. Progressively overload. At least 10 hard sets per week.